Sila, oh. Luto na yung... Tawa ko kay Sak. Ayan, si Sak sumasok. Oh, slowly. Kiss ba? Okay, blue eye. Good morning, guys. Si Jan. Alis siya. Where you going? No, not that one. Before you said you're going somewhere. Oh, gagawin niya yung octopus. Lilinisan niya sa beach kasi... Ha? Ayun yung hubarin si Elsa, guys. Ayan, oh. Meron siyang damit dito. And meron pa siya dyan, oh. Ayaw niyang hubarin si Elsa.
I got the lots.
Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, boys. Good morning. Ayan, binigay ko muna sa kanila yung remote. Pero later on, I'll get that remote again, okay?
I turned off the heater.
I don't know. Malamig, guys.
I turned it on when he waked up. Mom, we're not gonna play when you're cooking.
Oo. Pinag-iisipan ko kasi kung mag-film kayo ni Holly sa Chona's Kitchen.
Big deal.
You are a big...
We have to do it at
School?
No.
Where?
Have to do it at Tindy.
Kindy. You wanna go Kindy? How about mommy?
You don't have to when you're bigger. No, Mom.
Yes.
You remember? You have to go with her for 2 days at Tindy.
Yeah, it depends. Yun.
Mom,
Oh.
you pick me up to stand at
Ano?
you have to pick me up at Tindy.
Pick you? Yes.
Or
Si-
you can walk around with me.
Hindi ko matapos yung sinasabi ko. Si Jan.
Mom,
Wait,
you
baby.
don't have to pick her up. I have to walk.
You have to walk. You're not allowed to walk yet.
With me.
With Kuya. We'll see.
But on Wednesdays you have to pick her up.
Okay.
It's only short days.
So, yun na nga. Ang sinasabi ko si Jan, lilinisan niya yung octopus. Kasama niya yung friend niya, yung tumulong sa amin maghakot ng kahoy. Sa beach sila maglilinis ng octopus kasi yun ang bait nila. Mamayang gabi, it's daddy's going fishing at night, kuya? Oo. Gabi siya mag-fishing. Tapos ako, hindi ako nakapag-edit. Mag-e-edit pa lang ako. Anong oras na? 9:30.
My bag is full.
Hala, yung bag niya full na daw.
I gotta
What did you have for breakfast? What daddy gave you? Baba, listen. Answer me. Fruit Loops. So, binigyan siya ng breakfast ng daddy niya. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-edit. 10:00 na. Kasi yung mga bata humihingi ng eto, ganyan. So, binigyan ko muna sila ng apple. Tapos si Holly, ayan, nagyayakot. And linabas ko na rin yung lulutuin ko sa Chona's Kitchen. Ito yung malunggay na frozen. Yes, and ito yung mga kalamansi na frozen ko. And meron ko ditong isang isda na laman at saka may buto. So, kasi gusto ko magprito. Naubusan na pala kami ng tuna. And hindi ko alam si Jan kung magdi-dinner siya before umalis mamaya. Pero ayan, kinuha tuna isda. Kinuhaan ko si Jan ng scotch na steak. Ayan, ito yung pinabili niya sa friend niya, yung hiniwa-hiwa namin. So, eto siya. Mayroon dalawa yan. Are you alright now? Can mommy edit now? Huh? You're good? Okay. I love you, Holly. Finish that first.
You can't squeeze it.
No, you can't squeeze it, Baba.
It's not glass.
It's not glass. It's not it's plastic. Made in plastic. It's not rubber. Okay? May ano ka dito? What happened? What happened? May
Kuya done that.
Wala. Ikaw, lagi mo sinisisi si Kuya. Okay, come on. Sit down next to Kuya Tija and Sak. Naglalaro yung dalawa. So, siya.
You don't want to.
Ako yung kinukilit niya. Can mommy edit now? Oh.
What's the time?
Wow, you got your watch. Sa oras sa kanya, wala kasi itong battery. Ayan, mag-aalas 6 na sa iyo, Baba.
It was that football bowl.
Fufu bowl. Okay, mommy will edit now, okay? You're good? Okay. Kain muna pala ako ng tinapay ba ako mag-edit. Ito yung guys, para lang siya yung sa atin na yung
Cheese wish.
yeah, cheese whiz na may
Mom, there's no pimples
pimiento.
anymore.
Ha?
If there's no pimples, it's gone now.
Oh, wala na raw akong pimples, guys.
There's no more.
Yeah,
It's
scars.
It's a little bit
Scars.
pimples there.
Yeah, mayroon na lang yung parang scars.
What?
Merong maliit.
the paper's not in your face, it's all gone.
Yes, because I'm sleeping good now, Baba. Diba? Okay, ito na yung kanya, oh.
I want
Diba?
more, please.
That's it, Baba. Nag-Fruit Loops ka na, tapos may Yakult ka pa, nag-apple ka na.
I don't mean to spill it.
Alright, okay, go down. Ang lakas niya ng kumain. Okay? Welcome, be careful. And eto yung akin yung dalawa. So, kain na muna ako and then mag-edit na talaga ako after nito. Magaya na si Sak. Gusto niya rin kasi nasarapan siya dito sa cheese. This one?
This one.
Okay. Kumain na sila. Pero ayan, kakain na naman sila. Kaya ang dami kong bumili ng tinapay kasi mahilig sila sa sa pag ganito ba, mag-snacks kahit tapos na silang kumain ng breakfast. Do it, Baba, akin na. Akin na. Thank you. Kinuha niya yung Vegemite. Gusto niyang lagyan ng Vegemite. Ayan, nalagyan ko na ng cheese. Ito naman, Vegemite. Yeah, ayan. Ganito lang ang linalagay ko.
I'm having the other.
So, ito na yung snack ni Zachary. Kasi, kumain na sila ng, cereals, apple, tapos, ayan na, you're welcome. Diba, ang lakas ng talaga nilang kumain. Gumaya na rin si Kuya kasi gumagat ba siya doon sa tinapay ni Holly. Ubus na yung tinapay na yun kasi kinain ko na. Ito, may konting Vegemite. So, ito yung kay Kuya. Hoy, where's yours?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I almost ate it all.
You're almost ate it all. Good job. Can you fix your hair, Baba? Please, mag-edit na ako. Ha? Holly.
Dang me.
Hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit. Nandito. No, you do it. Nandito na si Jan. What time you're leaving today? Tonight? 3 o'clock na raw sila. Akala ko gabi sila alis. 3 p.m. sila alis mamayang hapon. Hoy, look at your mess there, please. Clean up that one. Or I get this. Okay, clean now. Now, yes.
Oh, not now.
No, kasi yung mga pinagkainan naman nila, oh.
Help. I'm having popcorn.
Yes. Thank you. Balik ulit ako dun sa kwarto, guys. Di ba tapos mag-edit? Ito kasi naririnig ko sigaw ng why you keep yelling? Change your clothes. He had a shower last night.
Have you done a poo?
No,
Why do you say you got a stinky
Why
bum?
is that? Where that red thing is.
ayaw niya magbihis.
How many? Let me
Oh,
go.
God,
Ay, you only have few hours and then you're going outside and play, huh? Saki? So, what are you eating, Sak? Sneakers?
Where'd you get that from?
Kagabi pa siya kumakain ng sneakers.
Put the rubbish in the bin.
Oh, you're right. Pick your stuff, Baba.
Pick
Balik
that
na.
up.
Balik na sa kwarto. I-check natin yung magkaama ko. What are you doing? Burgers. Kinakain na nila yung leftover na burgers. And si Holly.
How many, Zach?
What's that again?
Wow, full baby.
Fruit Loops again? Gusto niyang lunch Fruit Loops. And si Jan, ayan ang kanyang lunch. Cocoa Pops. Alam niyo na yan, guys. And eto kay, is this yours? Eto kay Sak, yung leftover kagabi. And kay Kuya, 1.5. So, tinanong ko si Jan, meron na lang daw 27 na pumapasok sa school nila. So, next term, ang gagawin nila ay mag-online school sila. Or online activities, right, Han? O, yung mga, nila, gagawin sa school, gagawin online. So, ngayon, yan muna ang ginagawa nila. Hinayaan ko muna sila. Pero hindi naman sila everyday nag-game. Kasi kinukuha ko naman yung remote. Pero nagbabasa sila. Oh, Papa, no. So, dyan na muna kayo. Hindi pa ako tapos. Magluluto ako mamaya. Sana wag mo nang dumilim. See ya. Tinawag niya ako. Kailangan niya raw ng snacks. And finally, nahanap ko na yung mga files na nawawala para sa vlog ngayon. Ayan. Nag-stop ulit ako, guys. Hindi pa ako nakakapag, ilagay ko to ulit sa, sa freezer, ay, sa ref na lang to. Kasi, si Jan, hindi siya magdi-dinner dito. So, ano pa, matigas pa naman ito. And, yeah, hindi pa ako nakakapag-film sa Chona's Kitchen. Ang daming ganap. Hindi naman pala. Ako lang nag-i-edit. Nag-i-edit lang kasi ako. So, what snack do you want, honey? There's a lot there, Han. Ang dami dito, Han. You want chips? Nandito sila. Oh. Nagsha-shopping siya dito, oh. What do you want? Ah, I like that too, Han. And what else? Chocolates?
Why don't you just put some in a bag for me?
Yeah, that's a good idea, Han. Yes. Hindi ko pa natatanggal yung tinupi ko pala. Doon nakalimutan ko na. And what else?
Well, that's it.
How about, drinks? Yeah, you got drinks. So, ito lang yung kinuha niya. Yung cheese rings. Masarap to. No added MSG. And dito siya. Hindi ko pa to nalalagay sa kwarto ni Holly. Yes? What's the Oreo? Okay. One each.
When you're doing cooking, can we have, when Holly's having a rest, can you have He wants to have ordinary strawberry.
Yes, alright. Okay. Ano, Han? Mars of Flake. Ayan, nakahanap na sa
Just some of them.
some of them. How many?
Put them in the bag.
Yeah, how many flakes?
Oh, 3, bro.
3? Just 3? You sure? Ang sarap nito, guys. Yung mga ano lang, oh, kalap. Good. So nice. Very cheesy. Sarap. Boy, that's enough. That's mine.
I'm eating them.
Ito yung kanya, oh. Nilagay ko sa Ziploc and meron siyang 2 coffee ice break. Ito yung coffee lagi niya ininom. And sabi niya, 2 lang. Ginawa kong 5 para makahuli siya ng maraming isda. Sana makahuli siya. So, yan yung snacks na dadalhin niya, guys. Let me see what. Kumuha rin ako ng maliit na bowl. And tingnan nyo yung nakuha ko, guys. Parang naka-jackpot ako dito, oh. No, that's for Daddy. O, yan yung cheese nasa ilalim. Oh. Oh my God. Ang sarap siguro nito. Wait. Tingnan nyo yung cheese. Ah, ang alat. Ah,
Mom, what is
ang alat. Kala ko naka-jackpot ako.
Mom, what is this? Mom, what is this?
Mas masarap ang ganito lang pala, guys. Akala ko naka-jackpot ako dito. Kasi ayan, oh, namuo yung cheese. Nasa loob talaga, oh. Para siyang paste. Sarap. Ito. Okay. Dinagay ko na yung steak ni Jan na dapat ulam niya ngayon. Pero bukas na lang yun. Hintayin ko lang si Jan na umalis and balik ako sa pag-edit. Or, pinag-iisipan ko mag-film na ako kasi... Edit. Bahala na. Ready na siya. What? Bag?
I need something for them.
Dad, what are you doing?
Yeah.
We're going to do spray.
Yeah, spray first kasi may langaw akong nakikitang lumilipad-lipad. Ayan, oh, see that? See that, ha?
Thanks, Bob.
I got one with full of cheese and I thought, oh my God, it's so salty.
Well, here, I'll move outside.
Huh? How about your coffee?
Yeah, I'll get in when I go. Where's the spray? Is it just there?
Binalagay niya muna sa yung kanyang coffee. I don't know. Maybe on that.
Dad, wasn't it meant to rain?
Nahanap niya yung spray. Baba, wait.
There you go.
Wait, I put this in the microwave. Hindi ko naman siya initin. Mag-spray lang kasi si Jan. Okay.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Spray ham. Daddy spray you, Baba? No. Doon siya sa kwarto. Oh, that's enough. Yung boys, oh, sabi, nagtatanong sila kung mag-film na daw ako. Sabi ko, hindi pa naman. Hintayin ko muna si Johnny Boy na umalis. May nauna na sa akin sa microwave. Sharing is?
Sharing.
Very good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Touch it.
Cheers.
Kasi linagay ko na siya sa bibig. You said cheers.
Cheese.
Para naman siya nandiri kay mami. So yummy.
Ha ha ha.
Di ba siya na yung nagmamay-ari ng aking... Good job, Baba. Can mommy have some? So akin to eh.
You don't have to cheers.
Okay, cheers.
Say.
Sit down on the floor.
I gotta say.
Kasi yung couch, di ba? Malinis siya. Malinis. Linabhang ko.
Say.
Sundan natin siya kung anong ginagawa niya. Kasi pabalik-balik siya. Ayun, kumuha siya ng jam. Hindi naman, long sleeve. And, are you gonna bring your dinghy? Or, oh, Bryce. Si Bryce pala yung, si Bryce magdadala ng dinghy niya kasi sa Robe sila pupunta guys, hindi dito sa Bay. Sa Robe. That's South Australia, right, Han? Yeah, South Australia. Kasi hindi sila pwede mag-cross ng Victoria. Ayan yung boots niya. Oh. Are you waiting for Bryce? Is Bryce gonna pick you up? Yeah. Baba, where's your slippers? Give me some, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nga. Masok muna kayo ni Holly kasi wala pa naman yung friend ni Jan. Balik muna ako. You don't want this? Nagtawa na siya. Ano for later? Ubus na ito. O sige, for later. Inom tayo. Alam niyo po, ubus na yung mga namin, mga juice. So, ito na lang. Wala nang orange. Last na to. Ayan na naman siya. Babalik na naman si Johnny Boy.
I want orange.
You want some orange? Manners?
Please. Then I cook. Yeah, wait. What time?
Soon, Baba. Gusto ng mga bata mag-grape. So, hugas tayo ng grapes. Ito yung... No, grapes. Strawberries muna. And may watermelon din ako dyan.
And I only have one.
What? This one?
I have one now.
I'm gonna wash it first.
I want two. In my bowl.
Manners, Baba.
Please. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Yeah, wait.
Shake.
Huh?
I don't have it.
Ay, mamaalis ka dyan.
Save her.
Give me yung yung bowl ang ginamit mo kanina. You have to... Hey, Baba, be careful with Elsa. This is red.
Be careful for nails.
Oo, diba? Ayaw niya. Sabi niya, mamaya niya raw ito kakainin. Ito ako. Did you say hi to my Elsa? Diba? Ubus agad. Paano matatapos si Mami? Wait, let me finish
That's a
first.
lot. It's strawberries. Wait, Mom. I thought, no, put in the big bowl.
Why?
Because,
What?
so,
You can just grab some?
yeah, all of it. Like,
All
in a
of
whole
you?
bowl. Like a massive bowl. Like the popcorn bowl.
No, that's too big, Baba.
Watermelon can be in there.
Ah, you wanna put together with watermelon?
Yeah.
Okay. I will.
Be careful your finger, Mama. Okay, just put it in there. And when you get a big bowl, chip it all in there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Kumuha rin si Sak ng apple.
out.
Oh, Manners.
Please.
What if that is doing it?
That wasn't. No. Mom, that's enough.
No, I have to do it now because...
Wash it.
I will wash it, love.
We gotta wash everything.
Oh.
How
Holly, be careful, huh?
What are you doing?
Washing this now.
Wait, did you wash this one?
Yes, I did.
You did wash it.
I did wash it.
Mom, that's enough.
Wow.
No more strawberries.
I will put it all now here so it's easy.
All of them? Yes, I love strawberries. Hey, like all full babies. Can I do one? With a different knife?
No, you're not
No,
allowed with that.
no, not that knife. Like a
No.
different. I'm not gonna have those other knives.
Wait, who said that?
Or I always have it for steak.
Oh, the dinner knife?
Yeah.
No, it's alright. Baba, don't touch it, please. No, 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 no. See, look at your... Don't touch it.
I want the plate. No, I just need... Rebels! I got the rebels! I told you we're gonna have them. Well, I told you we're gonna have rebels.
Who?
I call you that too. Zach, stop touching it!
Who's up? Who's up?
Stop touching it! Stop touching it! No more! Another dead!
Sa, parang feeling ko, by the time na matapos ako, ubos na rin yan talaga.
So you almost finished it all. There's a lot.
That's good. So you have a lot to eat.
So how about that?
Since tomorrow maybe we're gonna have pancake. Maybe. I'm not sure. Depends. Baba, don't touch, please.
I am allowed to touch the apples.
No, 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 no. Don't touch, please.
I touched in the bowl.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Wala pa yung friend ni Jan. Ano na, alas 2. Sabi alas 2 sila alis. Alas 3:05 na eh. Baba, stop.
We used to be going straight to the GABOS for breakfast when they did that.
No, they all. Dad, stop eating it!
I'm touching it.
He's not touching it.
Careful, Baba. Careful, ha?
Dad, you left me outside.
No.
What are you doing, Sam?
There's green stuff in there.
It's alright. Green stuff? Ah, niloloko mo ako, ha? Baba, stop touching, please.
There's green stuff here.
Okay. Ano na, ha?
Ladies.
Kanina ka pa babalik.
assistant. I'm trying assistant again.
Is it sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
you were straight
Mm.
before.
Come is.
Good.
Nice.
I told you to like it.
Oh, no. Door?
Nope. Yes! You don't like it. That's my good.
Si Sak, sa pabalik-balik ni Sak, parang nakaano na siya, naka...
to be enough. Yeah, I need to go.
Well, I'm sorry.
Mommy, I didn't put apples in it.
Yeah.
They will take for long forever. I'm joking. Ah!
Sweetie pies.
Daddy.
Got some pineapple in there too?
Ah, yeah, akin na yan, Han.
There's that cut. Is
May
it alright?
Yeah.
Ew, I hate pineapple.
That's very right.
Just
Pineapple. May pineapple pa pala ako
Yummy.
dito.
I hate
Oh,
pineapple. Sour.
No, this one will be right.
Sour.
Wait, Mom, can you do that next?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Mommy, I want to do that. I like pineapples.
Mm-hmm.
My pineapples.
Ang dami na, oh.
My pineapples.
Tama nga yung sabi ni Sak. Akala ko kanina, konti lang ito.
Dad. Holy Dad. Sit here. Sit here.
Yung dalawa nagkakasundo si Jackie!
I tell you what, some bad.
Oo, naman si Kuya. Si Kuya hindi pa. Andun si Kuya. Naglalaro pa si Kuya.
I need to win this playoff.
Alright.
I need to win. I think you want some.
You give some kay Kuya.
Good Dad, win.
Bigyan niya raw si Kuya TJ. Oh, i-deliver niya kay Kuya TJ yon.
Queen TJ.
Ang dami niya, guys. Oh. Kunin ko rin yung ano, yung watermelon.
Watermelon. Dad,
Ayan, ito yung watermelon natin. Last time, di ba yung watermelon, mayroon na siya. Parang inaamag na siya. Ito siya. Oh. Ayan.
I really excited to eat it. Daddy, Mommy, watermelon.
Ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggal ko muna yan. Inaalis ko yan parang dry. Kasi hindi natin alam kung... For sure, malinis naman. Pero ako tinatanggal ko muna yung first layer.
That's a big knife. watermelon.
Nagustuhan ni Jan yung pineapple kasi sobrang tamis na. Pero sabi niya, kailangan daw malamig para mas masarap. Ayan. Sobrang ano na niya. Hinog or very ripe na talaga siya. Mauubos niya na yung ano, yung watermelon. Don't touch like that, Baba. Masarap nga. Yeah.
This is where I get lost.
This one will be full.
I get lost inside. Okay.
Baba, take tissue.
Oh, stop picking up and putting stuff in there.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Don't put that back either.
So, ito na yung fruits. Ang dami nito. Ilalagay ko muna siya sa ref para lumamig. And sabi ni Jan, andyan na raw yung friend niya. Lagay ko muna to sa ref. May grapes pa pala. Mamaya, ugasan ko to. Ilagay ko dyan. So, dyan muna siya. Labas tayo.
Get me milks, please, babe. Two milks.
Yung kanyang, coffee.
Outside, boys. Jamie.
Alright, guys, say see you to daddy. Boys. No, come here. Bring this coffee, please. Binabas ko muna yung broccoli. Come on. Where's Kuya? Dito na siya.
I can't, Zachary.
Hi, Bryce.
Hi, Chona.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ayan yung baon niya. Ha? Let me see. What's that? You will be in my vlog, Bryce.
Oh, you watch the hits that you get out of this.
Ito yung mga dala nila, oh.
John have a smile?
Yeah. Smile hand.
Be happy.
Are you're gonna bring the dinghy now?
No.
Oh, because your boat is near in the
Hollywood.
jetty. Yeah.
Hollywood land.
Hollywood. Oh, maganda sa kanila kasi si Jan nagdadala.
Hopefully we get you some snapper.
I hope so. Snapper and shark or blue eye.
No blue eye.
I know blue eye there. No. Oh, only snapper.
Snapper and shark.
Snapper and shark. Oh, snapper and shark lang palang nandun. Kasi punta sila sa... How many minutes from here? An hour?
And a half.
An hour and a half. Magbabiyahe silang an hour and a half.
Yep.
Then, sa boat niya. So, itong mga dala nila. Oh. Wow.
So we've got enough bait,
Bait.
floats.
Yes.
We should be right.
Yeah. So, hindi siya magdadalang dinghy kasi yung boat niya malapit lang sa jetty, right? It's near to the jetty.
Yeah, it's in the marina.
Yeah, in marina. Malapit sa marina. Kaya hindi sila magdadala ng dinghy. Not like kay Jan, di ba? Nagdadala siya nito kasi malayo yung boat sa sa jetty. See you to the... See you, Bryce! Good luck! See ya! Uy! Ayan ka na naman.
That's my daddy.
Malayo-layo ang pupuntahan nila. See
I'll say
you.
bye.
See you. See you. Good luck and
What?
bring some snapper, please.
Yeah, well, guaranteed. So.
Yeah, okay. Just be careful. See ya. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Bye. Go, Bab. Kakain na raw sila. So, ayan, kain na kayo dyan. And ako, magpe-prepare na ako para magluto muna ako. Mamaya na lang ako mag-edit. Ayan, nakapag-ayos na ako, guys. And, tingnan nyo. Ayan na lang yung natitira.
Good.
Very good? Very good. So, I'm just gonna prepare here, Kuya. And then, after that, I'm gonna
I'll
get...
just go put this on the table.
Okay, okay. Make sure, okay. Nasa table na si Kuya. So, asikasuhin ko lang yung mga kailangan ko para sa lulutuin ko sa Chona's Kitchen. Ayan, nahiwa ko na yung mga gagamitin ko para sa Chona's Kitchen. And yung mga bata, halos maubos nila yung fruits, which is good. So, ilagay ko muna to sa ref. Nagsain pala muna ako. Wala, naubos na. Ito yung nung isang araw na binuksan ko. So, ito yung pang-4 na kilo na to, guys. So, Inubos ko na. Parang 2 beses ko lang siya sinasaing. So, eto, kasi 1 kilo lang naman siya. So, magsaing muna ako bago mag-film. Hihintay kong mag-down yung araw kasi tingnan niyo. Hindi ka lang, parang okay lang naman, no? Mag-start na siguro kay ni Holly mag-film. Kasi ready na ang lahat. Yung isda, yung ulo pa pala. Okay, nakabihis na si Holly. Yung ulong isda pa pala. Hugasan ko muna. Nahugasan na ito ni Jam, pero hugasan ko ulit. So, ito na yung ulo ng blue eye. And tingnan nyo yung mata. Napaka-fresh niya talaga, guys. And ang linis ng pagkalinis ni Jan ito kahapon. So, rinins ko lang siya para maalis yung ibang blood. And yung buto niya, yung katawan niya, hindi ko isasama kasi para sa next kong pagluto ng kusido. Kasi eto marami na to. And meron ako ditong isda na piprituin ko para mamaya sa dinner namin. Partner yan dun sa lulutuin kong kusido. Linagyan ko na yan ng asin. And eto, ilalagay ko muna to sa freezer. And magluluto na kami ni Holly. Finally, tapos ko nang linisin yung mga pinaghiwaan ko. And malinis na doon. And ready na kami ni Holly mag-film. Ayan yung aking lulutuin sa Chona's Kitchen. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa Chona's Kitchen, please subscribe and check nyo yung channel, guys. Holly!
Yes!
Nagbihis na siya. Siya yung nagpili ng kanyang susunod. Come and show your dress. Come on, show me. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay, come on. Get ready. Tatalian ko lang.
Ready.
No, I'm gonna fix your hair, Baba.
I want to fix my hair.
Yeah, nag-brush na siya. Pero sabi ko ako magtali sa kanya kasi hindi niya naman na fix ng maayos. And luto na yung kanin. Off na natin to. Come on, Baba.
What?
Let's go. Get ready. Get your apron, Baba. Ilalagay ko na kayo dito. Mag-a-adjust na naman tayo. Nagprito muna akong isda bago ko i-close yung Chona's Kitchen. Kasi mainit pa yung sabaw. Sobrang init pa. Hindi pa namin tumatatry kasi sobrang init niya. So, ayan. Nagprito na tayong isda. Finally, tapos na ako magprito, guys. And yeah, balik na ako sa Chona's Kitchen kasi isasara ko na yung vlog ko doon. Pinailawan ko lang sa labas kasi mag-aalas 8 na, guys. O, diba? Kasi anong oras kayo nagsimula ni Holly? Hapon na rin kasi siguro magsi-6 baka nagsimula ni Holly. Magpa-5. Hintay na silang bigyan ng rice.
I want some.
Yes, baby.
Zach wants some.
Oh, who?
Could Zach want some?
Yes, in a minute.
I can call you Holly. No. Yeah. Holly Jalvin.
Holly Jalwar. Do you want big bowl? Big plate, kuya?
No, just like the bowl I have, please.
Okay.
I want a bowl.
You want a bowl?
Mom, please. Mom.
How about you, Sak?
I'll just
Plate? Okay.
Mom,
Yes?
I'm going to get my other one. And I then my
Okay,
other
wait.
ones. Wait for the rice.
Just
This one's
wait.
mine, that one's yours. Yeah, that's mine. I don't have a plate.
What do you want? Plate? Yes, plate for you,
I
Bob.
don't want a plate. He was a copycat.
No, because you're a baby. That's a glass. You're not allowed.
I want the... Here, Holly, yes.
No, you're not allowed glass,
That
Baba.
looks like a gun. No. You don't...
Careful, Baba, ha?
I'm having that.
Gutom na sila, guys, as in. Wait lang. What do you want, Sa? This is your plate.
Hey, rice, please.
Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung laman ng ulo. Tingnan nyo, ha? Yung mga gilid-gilid. Oops. Kita nyo ba? Hindi nyo kita. Ayan, oh, laman. Oops. Kay kuya to. Ang heavy. Here, kuya. Yung laman.
I put one down there somewhere. Oh, there it is.
You want me to eat the eyeball?
I'm not watching.
Why?
know
Oh, it's so yummy.
I don't want to watch it. I'm too scary.
Why?
I want some chicken.
This is not chicken. This is that Baba.
Oh, is that
Remove
chicken?
your hands, please.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Mom,
Mm.
does this mean not
It's, No, it's very rude. Yes.
That's
it's
enough.
rude. It's very rude.
I know, look at the eye. And joking.
Ayaw niyang tumingin sa eye.
Or the
Save
face.
some for mommy, ha?
Okay.
Holy, you got a lot there, Baba.
Sorry. Sorry, Mom.
You're alright.
No, let's not make it hard.
One plate.
Right,
Mom, it's the arm now.
Mommy, take the
No,
eye.
no. I don't want to look
Kita niyo ba ako, guys? Hindi niyo ako makita eh. It's alright, I'm gonna eat it later. Gusto nila makita, kinakain ko yung mata. Okay, ready?
No, no.
Mmm.
You.
Mmm.
I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately. Cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting.
Yan, naubos na ni Sak and you're gonna have,
Shower.
Yeah.
I'm watching the movie.
yep. Si Kuya na lang tsaka si Holly ang hindi pa tapos. Pero malapit na si Kuya. Yung kay Holly. Holly, finish it, Baba. And you're gonna have a shower with Kuya's.
Oh.
Guys, close ko na yung vlog kanina. Nanood kami ng Minion 1 or 2? 1? 1. So, i-close ko na yung vlog. Nakaligo na sila kanina pa. Ayan si Holly, nakatulog na, oh. And si Sok. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Sana magustuhan nyo. And see you maybe tomorrow. Si Jan, alas 2 pa. Alas 3 pa siya, madaling araw darating. So, tingnan natin kung makakahuli siya ng isda. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Stay home and be safe, guys. Sana okay na ang lahat. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause